Browser-based programming. This is automation as easy as it can get by using our SpiderPLC installed directly on the automation hardware. First step is we enter the IP address of our device. Then we switch to hardware configuration and we choose the modules that we currently are using. I have one digital I/O module on slot 1 and another analog module on slot 2. Now we're set and we can start function block description programming. We'll open the respective editor. We will add a new sheet. Open sheet and add some simple logic. So we have a couple of catalogs, including the most commonly used logic objects. We'll just choose some simple binary logic. We'll add two inputs. We will use an AND gate. And an output. We will connect these objects together. Open the settings dialog and open the variable lists. Here we have our inputs which come from the modules that we just configured. So this will be input 0 from slot 1. We will use input 1 from slot 1 and we'll assign an output called output 0. So now our logic programming is done. We'll quit this little sheet. We'll press the build and run button. So now everything is compiled and active. And we'll open the debugger to see the result. So our second sheet is visible over here. And I can now play with the input switches and we can immediately see how the logic operates. Next thing is we will add some little HMI to the project. Therefore, you open the HMI editor. You'll open an existing view and add some little extensions to it. So the HMI editor also has a couple of galleries available, which we can choose here from the left. There are lights, gauges, switches, etc. So we will just go to text fields and add one object to display the variable, which will be our input, and we will add a label. We'll open the dialog to configure the label. And we open the second dialog to configure the variable input 0. We'll quit, press run, which will build, compile and display our modified HMI, and we're now again able to play with the switch and turn the respective value on and off.